Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Education London, and this is our Macbeth predictions video for 2024. Now before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do like the video and share it with your friends. I would like to thank you all for your continuous support, as we have received amazing feedback from all our subscribers, so do continue to share our channel as we continue to grow. Now, in terms of our predictions, we are going to look at some questions that may arise in your exams in May 2024. And again, it's important that you are still revising the key themes, you're looking at the key character analysis, you're looking at the key quotes as well, and importantly, you're practicing past papers. So let's have a look at it in further detail. And as we go through it, what I would recommend is for you to actually have a look at past paper questions that you can attempt in your own time as well. Now, if you require further academic support and help with your lessons or your revision, do consider joining our online revision classes at Easy Education London, as we provide amazing revision classes for English, Maths and Science, taught by experienced and professional teachers. And our classes are tailored to your exams, where we go through the exam paper questions, we look at model answers. You will have a chance to write your own answers and also be receiving constructive feedback from your tutors as well. So if you're interested in joining our classes, our spaces are extremely limited, as spaces do fill up really fast. Do contact us via email, which is easyeducationlondon@gmail.com. I'll put the link on the bio as well, and all the other relevant information. So let's get back to the video and have a look at our predictions for 2024. So, as you can see, our first predicted question for Macbeth is, how does Shakespeare present the theme of guilt? And if you're wondering where you need to look at Act 2, Scene 2, where Macbeth returns to Lady Macbeth after killing Duncan, and they discuss his horror and feelings of guilt. So that's a possible question for you to look at, and it's important that you actually pre-plan and write this answer prior to the exam. So that way, if it does come up, then you're already, guaranteed to do well. And even if it doesn't come up, it's a great form of revision. Okay, so that's number one. The second question we have is, how does Shakespeare present the theme of kingship? Now, to those of you who watched our videos last year, the theme of kingship was, it's rather a predicted question, because we haven't seen it as of today. So it's something that the exam board are yet to provide us with, and it could be that they test students on the theme of kingship in 2024. So my guess would be for you to practice looking at past paper questions on the theme of kingship. Now, if you're wondering where to look at, you should consider looking at Act 4, Scene 3, where Malcolm and Macduff discuss Macbeth's tyrannical reign in Scotland. So that's our second predicted question. And our last and final predicted question is, how does Shakespeare present Macbeth as a tragic hero? Now, where should you be looking? You should be looking at Act 5, Scene 5, where Macbeth learns about the death of Lady Macbeth and that Birnam Wood has begun to move. So these are our three predicted questions. Now, one of the three may come up in your exams, but regardless, it's best to actually practice writing an answer for each one, but also to go over the entire extract and looking at the key themes, the key quotes, and the key characters, and trying to go through as many past papers as possible. And ultimately, it comes down to you combining your revision methods, so using exam papers, flashcards, mind maps, YouTube, and also attending online tuition classes as well. So if you combine those 5 together, then you'd be in a very good position to answer the question and get the top marks. Now, what I would recommend is you need to time yourself when you answer these questions, these essays, because in the exam the time does go really, really quickly. So I would say start timing yourself, because that's how you'll improve, and practice makes perfect. So thank you for watching this video. If you have made it to the end, don't forget to give this video a like, do comment below, and also share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms at Easy Education London, on Instagram, on TikTok, and also on Facebook and X. So other than that, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for more. Thank you.